In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a seller on eBay, specifically from your eBay searches. While eBay doesn't have a direct block seller button for searches, there's a simple workaround that lets you filter out unwanted sellers from your search results. This approach is especially helpful if you want to avoid seeing listings from certain sellers without wasting time scrolling through items you're not interested in. Let's dive into the steps and make your eBay browsing experience much smoother. Start by visiting eBay and locating the search bar at the top of the homepage. On the right side, you'll see an option labeled Advanced. Click on it to access specialized search features. This opens up more options and allows you to refine your searches with greater precision. Using Advanced Search also gives you control over other filters like price range, item condition, and location, which can further help narrow down your results. Once you're in the Advanced Search area, type in the product name or keywords for the item you want to find. Make your keywords specific enough to get relevant results, but broad enough to capture all possible matches. Scroll down to the sellers section. Here, you can set preferences related to sellers. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Include. Click on it and select Exclude. This tells eBay to leave out listings from sellers you don't want to see. Next, there's a text box to the right where you can type the seller's username. If you want to exclude multiple sellers, separate their names with commas or spaces. This feature allows you to fully customize your search results and ensures you only see the products you truly want. After entering the sellers, scroll down and click Search. eBay will process your request and display results excluding the sellers you've specified. This method saves time and provides a more pleasant browsing experience, helping you focus only on the items you're interested in. You can revisit these settings anytime and adjust the excluded sellers as your preferences change. This flexibility is perfect for frequent eBay users who want a tailored shopping experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully streamlined your eBay search and filtered out unwanted sellers. Whether you're regularly hunting for specific items or just want to avoid certain sellers, this technique can become your go-to solution. With a few simple adjustments, you can make eBay feel like a personalized marketplace just for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.